All right, let's talk about making money online in 2026. We're going to cut right through all the noise, all the hype, and give you a real, no-nonsense guide on how to get started. If you're ready to learn the methods that actually work, let's just dive right in.
You ever feel like you're just lost in this giant make money online maze? You see all these different gurus and get-rich-quick schemes, and it's just confusing. If you're feeling overwhelmed, trust me, you are not alone. It's a super crowded space, and it's almost impossible to know who to believe.
But what if you had a map, a clear step-by-step guide to get you out of that maze? Well, that's exactly what this is. We're going to lay out a framework that just cuts through all that nonsense and shows you the real, legitimate paths to earning an income online.
Okay, before we jump into the fun stuff, the actual methods, we have to get the foundation right. You have to understand how online income actually works, because if you don't get this part, you're way more likely to fall for a scam down the road.
You know, it's actually pretty simple. Literally every single legitimate way to make money online fits into one of these four buckets. You're either trading a skill for money, that's skill-based, or you're building an audience you can monetize, which is audience-based, or you're selling a thing, which is product-based, or you're using your money to make more money, which is investment-based. That's it. If something doesn't fit into one of these, that's a huge red flag. This is your first and most important filter.
So now that you get the big picture, let's get our hands dirty. Let's talk about 5 of the most realistic and accessible ways for a total beginner to get started in 2026. Think of this as your starter toolkit. First up, method number 1, freelancing. And let me be clear, this is hands down the fastest way to earn your first dollar online. It's super straightforward. You're trading a skill that businesses need for cash. And right now, companies are desperate for people who can do things like video editing or managing social media. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it super easy to connect with them.
So, how do you actually start? Well, the process is simple, but notice I said simple, not easy. There's a big difference. First, learn one specific skill that's in high demand. Then, create just a few samples so you have something to show people. After that, it's a numbers game. Apply to jobs consistently. And finally, when you land a gig, deliver amazing work and get those reviews. That's the secret sauce that gets the ball rolling.
Okay, method number 2, YouTube and content creation. Now, this one's a different beast entirely. This is not about getting paid next week. This is about building a real, long-term digital asset. You build an audience that trusts you, and then you have all these ways to earn, like from ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, you name it.
I know, starting a YouTube channel can feel super intimidating, right? But the formula is pretty simple. Just pick a niche where you can provide real value to people, post consistently, like 2 or 3 times a week, solving a specific problem they have. And please, please focus on progress, not perfection. Your first videos will probably be terrible, and that's okay. Just keep going.
Next up, method 3, affiliate marketing. This is a huge one, and honestly, it's a favorite for so many people because you get to skip the hardest part. You don't have to create your own product. You're basically a trusted guide. You help people make a decision, and if they buy something through your special link, you get a cut. It's a really powerful model.
But here's the absolute number 1 rule for affiliate marketing. And if you forget everything else, remember this: trust. It's all about trust. This only works if your audience actually believes you. So pick a niche you genuinely care about, create honest-to-goodness helpful reviews, and always, always put your audience's trust first. That's the real key to success here.
All right, you want to know where the real magic of scale comes in? It's right here, selling digital products. This is where things get, well, kind of crazy in a good way. Think about it. You create a product once, like a simple ebook or a template, and you can sell it 1,000 times, 1,000,000 times. The profit margins are just incredible. And the best part? It has never been easier to get started. I'm serious. You don't need to be a tech genius. People are making a killing selling AI prompt packs or simple budget templates. Just find one specific, painful problem an audience has, create a simple solution for it, and use a platform like Gumroad to sell it. It's that direct.
Okay, our last beginner method is print on demand. Now this is super cool if you've ever dreamed of selling physical stuff like t-shirts or coffee mugs, but you're terrified of buying a garage full of inventory that you can't sell. With this model, you just upload a design. When someone buys it, another company prints it, ships it, and handles everything. You never even have to touch the product. You just collect the profit.
Okay, we've talked about all the good stuff, all the real opportunities, but now we need to have a serious chat. We have to talk about the dark side, because it's crucial that you learn how to spot and avoid the thousands of scams that are out there.
Look, if there's one thing you take away from this section, let it be this quote right here. Seriously, write it down, burn it into your brain, whatever you gotta do. Real business takes real work. So if anyone, anywhere, promises you fast money with zero effort, you need to run.
I mean, just look at this. The difference is night and day, isn't it? On one side, you've got all these empty promises and red flags, and on the other, you have the reality of what it actually takes to build something meaningful. It takes skill, it takes time, it takes consistency. There are just no shortcuts.
All right, enough with the theory, enough with the warnings, let's make this real. Let's put together an actual plan you can start like tomorrow. Because knowing what to do is one thing, but having a plan is what actually makes things happen. Here's a 90-day plan to get you from zero to your first earnings.
So here it is, your 90-day plan. In month 1, your only job is to learn. That's it. Don't even worry about money. Just pick one skill and practice every single day. Then, month 2 is go time. You either start applying for freelance gigs or you launch that YouTube channel and start publishing. And by month 3, you're focused on getting better and maybe even adding a second income stream, like affiliate marketing.
Okay, the million-dollar question. How much money are we really talking about? I'm going to be super real with you here. Look at that first line. For the first 3 months, your income could very well be $0 to $500, and that's okay. This is a marathon, not a sprint. You have to understand that building something sustainable takes time.
And that brings us to the final piece of the puzzle. And honestly, this might be the most important part of this entire guide. It's about a massive mindset shift, moving away from just chasing a paycheck and toward building real, long-term digital wealth.
See, the whole game changes when you stop thinking about just earning income and start thinking about building assets. What's an asset? It's something you build once that can keep working for you, generating income over and over again. A freelance gig pays the bills this month. A YouTube channel could pay you for years to come. That is the difference between income and wealth.
So let's end with this. The internet is not some magic ATM machine. It's a tool. It's a platform with incredible leverage, and it rewards 3 types of people: creators who make valuable things, problem solvers who make people's lives easier, and disciplined people who just show up day after day. The only real question is, which one are you going to be?